It is Saturday, the 20th of December, 2008, at 11:23 PM. We're intending... Oi. No.
I want more water then.
Go get more water.
There's no ice.
There's ice in the freezer where normal people keep it.
Not in the tub anymore. No, the white tub.
What white tub?
The one that's in there.
The white tub.
There's always a white tub.
Anyway, as I was saying, we're intending to stay awake until forever, 5 a.m. 5 a.m. 5 a.m. 5 a.m.
What's the time now?
11:30. 11:23 to be exact on the dot. Full stop.
Where do you keep your ice?
In a freezer.
No, I looked before I stuck my hand in there. There was none. Come on.
Where?
Yeah, bring it.
Okay. Here we go.
See?
Nice.
White tub. It's like a bathtub.
Oh, you don't bother looking in the ice tray.
I don't call that a tub. None to you.
I don't know.
What happened? Fall over. Oh, look, the door's open. How do we do that?
Wow. I'm out of breath.
Wow, would you?
Whoa, goodbye. No.
Caitlin's drunk.
Mm.
Oh, well, who's drunk here? The cat?
I don't own a cat.
I mean the dog!
Who's drunk now?
That's my straw from Subway.
Oh, shit. Oh, God.
I'm drooling everywhere.
You're a pig. Drunk ass. Wow, that hurt. That hurts to talk.
What? Why?
Because you have water on your nose.
How to get up there?
It's booger.
Do you know, God lives in her swimming pool.
She has a peek hole.
A what?
Peek hole. You know where you look through things?
Oh, I thought you said it was his pee hole.
Yeah, the water in the pool is his pee. Water in the pool is pee.
I thought you said when we were in the pool, that's his pee hole. No, God. No wonder you're acting so normal about it. Can that even see us? Bum, bum,
Ah.
Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh does not have a theme song. Why doesn't Winnie the Pooh have a theme song? You know who he looks like?
No.
Do you know who he looks like? Don't. Stop it.
I can't.
No. I'll say it by typing.
No, I'm not. How?
I don't know.
Your mum is.
That does hurt.
It hurts, eh?
No.
I just want some ice.
No. Yuck.
Just give me a little bit of ice.
No. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Oh, that hurt. That really hurt. I think you broke it.
We're going. We'll be back at It's 11:28 now. We'll be back at, I don't know, when we're really, really tired.
Yeah.